Received instructions from over 200,000 people in the Matatu sector to go to court to defend them. The 200,000 people are employees in terms of drivers, in terms of conductors, in terms of mechanics, in terms of vehicle owners, of the 12 SACCOs that are affected. Two mysterious people went to court and sued the 12 SACCOs with allegations that they are picking their passengers from free petrol stations. This is the Total Energies petrol station, the Total Rhino, that goes towards the routes that go on Thika Road, starting from Ngara to Pangani, to Muthaiga, to Githurai, to KU, to Thika, to Gatundu, to Mangu, all the way to Kangari, to Murang'a, all that corridor of the Matatus that operate on that road. That predominantly is the Mount Kenya region. All the Matatus that move that side. The other petrol station is the Ola petrol station at OTC, which captures the vehicles that use the Westland route, the Nakuru route, to Eldoret, to Kitale, to Bungoma, to Kakamega, to Yala, to Siaya, to Nyamira, to Kisii. All those operate from that area. The third corridor is a corridor that operates from Ola Afya Center. These are the vehicles that operate through Mombasa Road, heading to Kangundo, to Tala, to Kitui, to Machakos, to Makueni, all the way to Mombasa Road, all that eastern part of the Kamba Nation. People want these vehicles to stop operating from that area. The reasons they have adduced is that they pose a danger to the public. I want to put it very clearly that these Matatus operate as a pickup point. Only two Matatus, whether it's a bus or whether it's a Nissan, that is allowed to be at the petrol station at any one time. These Matatu investors have their parking yards in industrial area, in Pangani area, in outskirts of Nairobi, where they have hired and they pay per vehicle 500 shillings until it is called by phone. Come now, pick. Two vehicles only pick passengers at a time. Number two, these vehicles operate from a registered office. All these SACCOs have registered offices at the three petrol stations. They have employed staff, and those offices are paid by these people to the county assembly, the county government of Nairobi. Equally, all these Matatus, an average Nissan Matatu, a new one, goes for 6 million shillings. A bus, a Scania bus, goes for an average of 60 million. All these vehicles are insured comprehensively because they have loans from banks. Every day they pay a certain amount to the banks. If they leave operational for one day, they will lose the amount to pay the banks. The total number of passengers these people move per day, all the 12 SACCOs, is a colossal figure of around 800 to 900,000 people that are being transported daily. These SACCOs, as I've said, go nationally. Every county they pass, they pay to the county government, wherever they pass, a fee of roughly 10,000 shillings per month. Every month, the county government of Nairobi generates from them to the tune of over 200 million shillings per month in terms of licenses. I got shocked that even the kambao that is put on top of a matatu telling you this goes to Nyamira, you must pay monthly 15,000 shillings to the county government. The allegations is that they have endangered the lives of people who are being picked from there. The oldest of all these SACCOs was allocated that place 1985 under the local authorities. Only one or two have been allocated space under the county government of Nairobi that was born after 2010. These are people who have been in those sites for 30 years, 20 years, 25 years. No incident has ever happened. Nobody has ever been hurt. Nobody, no matatu has ever gotten fire. We know today a chopper crashed in Kwale. We pass our condolences. 12 people died in Kwale. But for these ones, for those 30 years, no matatu, no bus has ever caused an accident, has ever gotten involved in any way, and somebody has been hurt. To bring to perspective how these petrol stations operate, where the petrol tanks are is normally set aside. The picking point is separate from where the petrol tanks that are underground are placed. Therefore, they don't pick their matatus, don't step on top of a tank to pick their passengers. Free. They are being told to go to the Green Park. They are being told to go to the city, to the country bus station. Every Kenyan knows the type of congestion in those places. In total, we are talking, Mr. Kinyanjui talked of almost 1,000 vehicles. They are more because, for example, the Matatu Marcos that goes to the other side has over 360. One SACCO Matatu has more than 360. Where will this happen? We know very well the MCAs wanted these people to bribe them. They were told unless they bribe the county assembly leadership, they will be thrown out of business. These are law-abiding citizens. They refused and said they are ready to face the courts. They are not going to bribe anybody. And these are the voters. These are the voters of this country. They have come to me. We have responded. We have filed our response, which I've given to the media. We are equally doing a serious letter to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya to the effect that you cannot destabilize the economy of Nairobi. You cannot destabilize the economy of the hustlers. These are small business people whose income after net deductions is around 200 shillings. We have students who are doing exams and they are being threatened that if they are removed from where they are operating, those students will not even know how to reach home. The rains are coming. Christmas is coming. These people did a tremendous job to transport the mourners to Bondo, where they took people to give the last respects to the right Prime Minister Raila Odinga. These are heroes. But the way they are being treated as if they are petty thieves. They have not broken any law. They have paid all the licenses. They are doing legitimate business, and we are appealing to the head of state and the governor. All these people belong to the governor of Nairobi to come handy, engage us, so that these faces that look completely devastated have reason to smile, that they are doing a legit business and they are earning from their hard-earned sweat. Today they have abandoned their matatus. They are here in solidarity with their lawyers. They are here to show that the matatu sector is facing a serious onslaught from a few cartels that want to remove them from where they are going. In Nairobi, there are more than 30 petrol stations where matatus pick passengers from. Why do you isolate only 3? That is an act of discrimination. Where are the others? Why only 3 petrol stations? And that is why we are saying this is an act of politics. This is an act of targeting some people and leaving others out of the whole issue. This decision for these people to move, and they have consulted us very well, and we have told them that Article 10 demands for participation, active participation. They must be involved, discussions being held, so that if they have got to move, there is a proper basis to remove these people from where they have been doing their business. We have seen among the people sued is the county government of Nairobi. We have seen among the people sued is the NEMA. We have seen among the people sued are the cabinet secretaries. We will want to see who among the government officers that have been sued in this matter will stand with these taxpayers, or who will run away from their own people who voted for them to be in office. So this is a serious public matter. We know very well the 2 petitioners have been hired, they have been paid to get out these people from where they are working from. We shall be demanding to know who has funded the 2 petitioners to disrupt the normal peace in the matatu sector and the transport sector in Nairobi. Kenya does not have a public transport. Kenya depends on private sector for public transport. We cannot allow any disruptions at this time when the economy is very, very bad. Vile nimesema ni kwamba hawa tunawakilisha ni watu zaidi ya watu 200,000 ambao jumla zote za ile fedha ambazo ziko hatarini ni mabilioni na mabilioni ya pesa. na tumesema kwamba hawa wanafanya biashara mahali ambapo walianza kufanyia biashara hata kabla wale ambao sasa ni viongozi wa county assembly, wale ambao ni viongozi wa county government hawajazaliwa. Mababu za hawa ndio walipewa hizo sehemu. Hawajafanya kosa lolote, accident haijafanyika popote, na wako tayari kufuatilia sheria ambazo zimewekwa na katiba ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo tumeweza kuandika makaratasi yetu. Justice Mugambi alisema tuweze kufile makaratasi yetu. Kufikia leo tumejibu, na bila shaka wameniarifu nitamwandikia kiongozi wa taifa Rais William Ruto kwamba hawa ndio wenye Nairobi. Uchukuzi usilemazwe kwa siasa potovu. Waliambiwa waweze kupeana kitu kidogo, wakakataa na wakasema kwamba wao wako tayari kufanya biashara zao kihalali bila kushurutishwa. Kwa hivyo tunapeana ilani kwa governor, tunapeana ilani kwa speaker, tunapeana ilani kwa MCA, na tunapeana ilani wale ambao ni mawaziri na technocrats katika Nairobi County waweze kusikiza mambo ya hawa wanabiashara. Hatutaki kulazimisha watu kufanya lile ambalo halina msingi wowote. Swali lolote?
Then it means the MCAs are the persons who are posing a great danger to Kenyans, not the Matatu operators.
The Matatu operators have not caused any danger to anybody. The problem is with the county leadership, both the county government and the county assembly government. It is them who want to extort from these people, and they have refused, and therefore they are the problem. And that is why we are appealing to a higher position, the national government, and we have come to court where we believe the judge will be able to give them justice. Among the prayers we have asked is to ask Justice Mugambi to go and see how orderly these people are and how disorderly, if the orders are granted, the Nairobi city is going to be. Thank you. Asante sana.